Some of you have contacted me with some challenges sending me a message through the course. So I just want to walk you through real quickly a quick screen pass to help you out with that. So after you have sent your 3 words into Menti, I want you to become familiar with Contacted Me in the course. So up at the top right hand of your screen, and I'm logged in right now as a demo student, you can select this little message symbol. And it's going to have a search bar here that you can find me with. So I've noticed that if you try to search my full name, it does not come up. But if you just type Heather and do a quick search, it's going to come up for Heather Raybould. And then there you can send me a quick message through the course letting me know what those 3 words are. So I hope this was helpful, and you can always email me if you can't get me through the course at HRAYBOLD9@gmail.com.